Hey guys, this is my bike check. I just got this bike a couple days ago. It's pretty good. Alright, so in the front I have a premium Chad Curley tire 2.4 with some female axle premium Samsara hubs with some spokes, I don't even know what, laced to a Alienation Deviant right there. Zoom in on that. Alright. In the mid, oh, forgot about this. Got a premium sub 10 stem. Pretty nice, hasn't slipped yet. Alright. Moving to the middle, got some Odyssey Twisted PCs. They give hella shinners, but oh well.
From yesterday, because he just got it for his birthday.
Got some premium 1948 cranks in chrome. Premium bottom bracket. Haven't really got a chance to test them out yet. On the other side, I got a premium Sabertooth sprocket, 28 tooth. KMC extra light chain. You know, just normal chain. Alright. Premium fat pivotal seat. It's pretty gushy. Like it.
Good sheet.
In the back I got in the back I got a Chad Curley 2.2 tire with some I don't know what spokes laced to a premium Samsara wheel set. Rim and hub. So
yeah, just got
this
yesterday. Pretty dope, yo. Follow us.
Is that the duo?
Yeah, it's on sale right now. Follow him on Instagram at @_dude_Josh. Follow me at Epic BMX Edit.
Hit us up. Oh, here's a hub sound.
Oh yeah.
Haven't got to wear it in yet much, but oh well.
There's my bike, and there's his bike. He's getting a new one. Next check is going to be his bike, the Verde, whenever he gets it this month. So yeah, do something sweet. Oh, that was so sweet. Yeah, I'm trying to teach him these. Oh!
I forgot the bars. I got some premium whiskey bars and some premium 13 grips. They suck. Don't get them.
He's ordering ODIs.
I had them for 2 days and I'm already getting new grips. I can't stand them.
Yeah. They feel like fake ODIs. They really do, like rubber, hard rubber.
It's not good. Don't get them.
What a cheater.